In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the creation date of your Gmail or Google account, and we'll do it in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're simply curious or need this information for account verification, knowing when your Gmail account was created can come in handy. Let's get started. First, open your browser and sign in to your Gmail account. You can do this on any device that has internet access and a web browser. Once you're in your inbox, you're ready to begin. In the top right corner, click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. From the drop-down menu that appears, select See All Settings. This will take you to Gmail's full settings page. At the top, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the one labeled Forwarding and POP/IMAP. Once you're in that section, scroll down until you find the POP download area. There, you'll see a line that says POP is enabled since. The date that follows is the creation date of your Gmail account, or at least the earliest record of when the account became active. And that's it. You've successfully found when your Gmail account was created. It's a quick and simple process, but really useful if you ever need to verify your account or satisfy your curiosity. If you have more than one Gmail account, make sure to repeat these steps for each one, since every account may have a different creation date. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more quick and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.